Yeah. Hey youth, turn my headphones up a little bit. No, I like that. Man, damn, this Hired song, sweet man. Damn. Young Rilla. This bit is classy, sounds nice, real cool. Never been a bully, nor a nerd, I've been cool. We all blessed with talent, skillful. Since school I've been known to improvise. My melody is like therapy, synchronized. Lyrically I'm just being me, you feel my vibes. Vibing while I'm rolling, surviving while I'm hoping. Promises are broken, a comfort to a fool. This life is full of choices, be careful what you choose. Won't ever catch me slipping, I hardly snooze. High grade in my lungs like the Martys do. I'm trying to make that good music you could party to. Or chill out, catch a mess, or a bean bout. Panoramic view, or take a scenic route. Reality reveals itself, won't mimic now. I ain't competing but lyrically I'm flawless. Acknowledge everybody who've been supportive. True kings regardless, good green to harvest. Shit seems so marvelous. Yeah, when I mean I'm high of life, I was just being appreciative. With all due respects and acknowledgement to the Most High. Thanks for life and this talent to deliver this project to you. This beat calls for lyrics, no doubt, let's do it. I'm spilling speedy in this shit, need jet fuel. It's like a movie, so much cuts you could get jewels. No Sierra Leone, but I want the finest cuts. Shout out my Dominican girls who be fine as what. I know you keep it blazing, I throw my lighters up. I set your ass on fire, you gon' need a fire truck. Call emergency, no hard feelings, but afterwards you gon' need open heart surgery. This shit is hurting me, you think I did it purposely. Definite, I'm certainly won't approach you nervously. Show love till eternity, have some patience, work with me. Please, have some patience, work with me. Lost concentration cause Delilah's trying to flirt with me. Trying to seduce a nigga but I won't let her. I was young and immature but now I know better. You got the power of the P and y'all so clever. Yes, the power of the P. I swear your sweetness is my weakness, I solemnly swear. But it's all love though. Shout out to my ladies on the grind, the baby mamas, the independent ladies, the ones who love to break a nigga arm. I'm just being real. Yeah, I got you. It's all love. We high of life. Yeah. Volume 1. Shit. I'm about to do something. Yeah. It's all fun, it's all love, you know. The mixtape, Volume 1. Shout out to all my peoples who contributed to this album. Yeah.